Troubleshooting a TV that won't turn on doesn't have to be a tricky process. In some situations, your TV may actually be on, but just show you a blank screen. First, try turning on the TV using the remote. If that does not work, try pressing the power button on the TV instead of using the remote control. The power button's location will vary depending on your TV's model. Try pairing the remote to the TV again. Point the Samsung Smart Remote at the front of the TV, and then press and hold the return and play or pause buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds or more. Make sure the power cord is properly connected to the TV or the One Connect box, and the outlet is working. To test the outlet, unplug the TV and the One Connect box for 30 seconds, and plug it back into a known working outlet. If that doesn't work, try using a different outlet. If the red standby light comes on, then your TV has power from the working outlet. This means there is an issue with the original outlet, or the surge protector if you were using one.